Hey guys, today we're going to do an unboxing from Sample Source. If you're new here, my name is Angie and my channel is all about life improvement. I talk about fitness, I talk about nutrition, I talk about planning and organizing your life, thrifting, reselling, making a budget. Basically anything that can improve your life, it's fair game. So today, I'm going to unbox my Sample Source samples. Freebies, they're always fun, and who doesn't like to get things for free? SampleSource.com is where you're going to go. Their tagline is try it before you buy it. How it works is a couple times a year they send you an email with a survey, and you answer the questions and answer them truthfully. Sometimes, the questions are really random. You're like, why are we answering this? What is this? So I guess it was about a month ago, they sent me an email and I answered. And then it told me, okay, these are the samples you qualify for, and you pick the samples that you want to try. I remember doing the survey. I remember getting the email, but I don't remember what's in here. So let's just go through here. I did open it up a little bit so that I wasn't like ripping on it with you guys. Oh, by the way, I thrifted this sweater the other day, and it was going to be for sale on Poshmark, but I decided I was going to keep it. So it's got little cute fake pockets. Anyway, that's me just being squirrely. All right, so let's see what our samples are. Oh, menfolk, you might want to look away. We have some Refresh 3 Days of Freshness Odor Eliminating Gel, clinically shown to maintain healthy vaginal pH, because you need your vajayjay to be healthy. I vaguely do remember saying, yeah, sure, why not? I'll take this sample. And now my memory's coming back to me. I think there's 2 vaginal products. So again, guys, sorry. Ah, yes. Replens Moisturizer. Long-lasting vaginal moisturizer. Helps replenish vaginal moisture. I think this thing has the word moisture on it 4 times. So, we've got the moisture taken care of. Kind of wish I hadn't pulled those out first. If you've made it this far, hang with me. There cannot be any more Lady Part products. Maybe. Oh, next on the list. Or on the list, in the box. Persil Pro Clean. This is 1 power cap, brightness formula, plus Pro Power Cleaning. And this is for your washing machine. The first time I got these, I had a blonde moment. I got a sample probably a couple of years ago. I thought they went in my dishwasher. Luckily, I didn't do it. I just thought that's what it was. So this was sample number 3. Wash a load of clothes for free. Next up in the box. We have a coupon. $3 off 1 box of Clairol Permanent Root Touch-Up Hair Color. Y'all, I've tried so many of these boxes. All the sampling programs that I'm in went through a spell where they were all giving away the Root Touch-Up. It's not a bad product. But here's the trick. It's basically just, if you can look at the picture here, it's basically just eyeshadow. And you just put it on the brush and paint it on your root line to hide your sparklers. So you can buy it, or you can just use the eyeshadow you already own. It's kind of the same thing. Next up, oh, this makes the whole box worth it. I forgot about this. Love these. My husband and I live on these. RX bars are very minimally processed. If you've never tried them, they're super amazing. They have minimal ingredients. This is dates, egg whites, almonds, cashews, chocolate, cocoa, natural flavors, and sea salt. So I forgot about this. I'm hiding this in my bag so that nobody can steal it from me. And by nobody, I mean my hubby. So that's a good one. That made this whole box just, I could have done without the other stuff. All right, I got another piece of paper in my hand. Oh, this is the Clairol Root Touch-Up. So what they've sent me here kind of proves it's just eyeshadow, doesn't it? 4 colors and 2 applicators. So that's kind of fun. I probably won't use this. I keep a little bag of samples that I get that I don't try, and I give them to people or I sell them online. But I've tried Clairol Root Touch-Up a lot. Okay. Last thing I think is I thought we were done with the moisture, but we're not. Estrogen free. External dryness. External comfort gel. So, got the southern region taken care of today. So, oh, there's one more thing in here. It is a coupon for the Purcell Pro Clean. $2 off. So, to recap, I'll put the link down below, but it's really simple. SampleSource.com. They don't have a referral program that I'm aware of. You sign up, you watch your emails. They don't send you too many, but they'll send you an email that says new samples are available. You click in, you take the survey, and then they tell you, okay, you're eligible to try all these samples. And you just click the ones that you want to try, and then they send them to you in a box. So all of this was totally free. There's no anything you have to do for it. So going on the life improvement theme, you know, the theme of the channel, clean clothes for free. That's definitely an improvement. Anytime you send me food, I'm a happy camper. So loving the RX bar. I'm due to go get my hair did. Probably should use these. And then lastly, all your lady parts are definitely taken care of with this Sample Source box. So if you learned something new in this video, if you had never heard of Sample Source, I would love it if you would give me a thumbs up. And if you want to hear more about how to get great freebies to try or any of the other topics that I address, just hit that subscribe button. It's either here or it's here. Not sure where it is. I will link here or here somewhere to some other programs that I'm a part of that are freebies. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great day. Stay strong, y'all. Bye.